the Prajwalan ceremony, please.
Yo.
Thank you for joining. In the name of Ma Saraswati, let's begin the opening session. I would like to invite our respected chair, Dr. S.K. Varshney, International Cooperation, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. So over to you.
I think it is my turn, opening remarks to be given by me. So I would welcome you all.
Okay. So in that case, I will just introduce you to the audience. For the opening remarks, we have Dr. Manoj Kumar Pataria ji, President ISWA International. He has been elected as chair of International ASA Special Committee on Shared Communication. That is recognition of positioning India at global level in the area of science and communication. Pataria ji, please share your vision with us.
Okay, very good morning to you all, and thank you very much for joining this program that is being organized by International Science Writers Association, Indian Science Writers Association, and Indian Science Communication Society. So all that fraternity, which is really thriving for science communication and connecting science to the masses, is really behind all this program. And we are very fortunate to have with us Dr. S.K. Varshney, who is heading international affairs of the Ministry of Science and Technology, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. And he has been always with us, encouraging our programs. We also have as a guest of honor from Nepal Academy of Science and Technology and Tribhuvan University, Kathmandu, Professor Dr. Anjana Singh ji. Welcome, Anjana ji. And we have Dr. Arularam, Dr. Abhijit Bora from Northeast, Arularam from Tamil Nadu, from Anna University, and all our lovely friends from ISWA and ISCOS, Dr. BP Singh, Dr. Tariq Badar. So it makes this program really very fruitful, very interesting, and very informative and enlightening for all of us. I can see a number of executive members and different stakeholders have also joined the program. So friends, as we all know now, we are moving ahead in the age of artificial intelligence that is preceded by digital media or digital communication. So we have mastered the technology. We have been working for more than something like 3 decades with digital media. Now this new technology is coming at our doorstep. So we are now really looking forward for making use of this technology as well for the purpose of science communication and science popularization. Recently, in the media, there are a number of news items appeared that AI is making inroads. AI also posing some challenges, and AI also helping us in different fields of public and societies. So why not science and technology communication? Recently, you must have read an editorial written by a computer, or we can call with the help of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is not only capable of writing editorials, but writing articles, writing poetry, drama. So all these things which are being done by human beings are now taken over by computers with the help of AI, artificial intelligence. So these are the challenges. At the same time, these are also a kind of, it is also helping us for moving forward. So as the time has witnessed over the period that whenever new technology emerges, so there are number of kind of challenges always posed by this technology. For instance, when computer was on its annual, then the concern was being raised that there will be a lot of unemployment because computer will take away the employment. But it reversed the misperception of the people. When computer came, the employment also generated manifold. So similarly, we are now thinking that if artificial intelligence will start writing articles or writing poetry or doing the work that is being done by humans. So this is not so. I think human intellect will be supreme, and that will be guiding all the technologies whatsoever. It may be artificial intelligence or digital media or whatsoever it may be. Recently, there are a number of activities which are taking place across the world, and on 13th of this month, there was a summit on artificial intelligence that was being organized under the edges of global partnership for artificial intelligence, chaired by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. And something like 29 countries, they have participated in this global partnership for artificial intelligence. And the idea is to have collaboration, have inclusivity, and it should be used for the common goal, maybe development of societies, development of humankind, and common growth of the world. So these kinds of decisions were taken. It also came to the fore that AI can support healthcare, agriculture, and all these new areas which are now emerging in the current scenario. So these are the things how we can really proceed with the AI. There has been a kind of experiment that was done by IIT Madras that during convocation, during this corona period, during convocation, the convocation was organized somewhere else, and dignitaries were sitting somewhere else, and the students who were supposed to get the degree, award of degree, they were coming virtually, and they were being awarded degree virtually. So this was a great experiment. Similarly, a number of things are happening with the help of the virtual reality, augmented virtual reality. So all these new areas are now opening up a lot of vistas for science communication and science popularization. But at the same time, as I said, the written script will always form the basic for science communication. Whichever is the media, maybe print media, electronic media, digital media, or now AI. So whatsoever it may be, if a script by a human being, I think, or the guidance by the human being would be always superior for this. So let us take advantage of artificial intelligence for science communication and science writing. So at this moment, once again, I welcome you all, and let us look forward for fruitful discussion and fruitful deliberation so that we can draw some conclusions at the end of the program. Now we are organizing for a couple of years virtually, and we are really looking forward for having in person maybe the months to come or years to come. So let us work together for realizing this dream so that we can meet in person. And because when we meet in person, so it is not only the discussion, but also a number of ideas, a kind of conglomeration of ideas, cross-pollination of ideas that also takes place in the informal talking, informal discussion. So let us see that also happens. So I wish all the best, and I welcome one and all on this occasion. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for sharing your thoughts regarding artificial intelligence. Truly said, human intelligence will be supreme, और हमें आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के आने से घबराने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है, और आगे और अपॉर्चुनिटीज खुलेंगी डेफिनेटली। और इसी क्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट Dr. S.K. Varshney, who is our respected chair, International Cooperation, from International Cooperation, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. So please, over to you. I welcome you on behalf of the organizers.
Thank you, Kavyanjali. And namaskar to everyone. Thank you, Manish, for setting up this stage and how artificial intelligence and some other tools in digital era have played the role. And it all started growing up when we had first and second wave of corona and we were under lockdown. And unfortunately, once again, there is an alert. That a new wave of corona is there. But one thing corona has helped, and that is how do we communicate? Because even when we were in lockdown, digital communication process grew up. We started sharing information, building relationship, collaborating, staying ahead, and people could take advantage of opportunities provided by technology and internet. So I think there is a good connections, and as far as AI and human intellect are concerned, my personal opinion is that since AI is based on kind of information fed to the machine, the analytical skill of AI is going to go far ahead the human intellect. But the emotional content, the interpersonal connect, that would be something which would always be with the human being.
तो आप लोग प्लीज बने रहिएगा हमारे साथ आखिरी तक, and I'll be talking about sustainable fashion and its application and the application of artificial intelligence to support sustainable fashion. Thank you, and over to you, Dr. Arora.
Thank you, Kavyanjali ji. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and participants, welcome to the scientific session of 3rd International Science Communication Conclave and the 23rd Indian Science Communication Congress. I am thrilled to host today as we embark on a journey into the fascinating tale of science communication in the age of artificial intelligence. In today's fast-paced world, technological advancements are transforming every facet of life.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to all. Thank you, Dr. Arora, for the introduction about this session. In the interest of time, I will speak very less about, we know about why we are holding this conference and what is the topic. We have 7 participants who are going to presentations. So in the interest of time, I request them that they can put their presentations to maybe limited to 6 to 7 minutes or so, depending upon the topic. And first of all, I welcome all of you in this thematic session of India International Science Communication Congress. And my take on this is science communication in the age of artificial intelligence. So we should focus how we should use this AI for the benefit of science communication. What are our goals? What are our target audience? And how we can do better in this field of science communication, which is focused on social well-being to all around the world. All kind of positive thinkings, we should focus on it. Now I request the first presenter of this session, Anjan Banik ji, who is going to present science communication for nation building. So over to Mr. Anjan Banik, please.
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. At the first, I would like to introduce myself, Anjan Banik, and for a long time I am associated under the blessings of Dr. Manoj Pataria, my guru in the field of science communication, along with Tariq brother, sir, and all of you, the senior personalities who are associated with this Indian Science Writers Association, as well as Indian International Science Communication and Writers Association also. And apart from this, Dr. VP Singh ji from Lucknow is cause. I am from Tripura, and with the blessings of all of you, this year I also awarded with this NCSTC National Award for Science and Technology Communication 2023. And today, in this auspicious occasion and this virtual platform, my topic is science communication for nation building with an holistic approach of AI. We all know this changes is the basic need of life, and AI is the new upcoming emerged science tool, which we have to be used for our better future. But we have to be characterized ourselves also for the benefit of a nation and benefit of our science communication, and along with our own life also. For this thing, we need and positiveness in use of science for science communication, positiveness for in use of science for our life in the newer threats, as well as newer prosperity and development also. In this aspect,